Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing this. It's the 1982 Dodge van Turtle Wax edition from MPC in 1/25th scale. As you can see here, this one is the Retro Deluxe version with turtle wax decals, tinted window option, vintage style packaging. You can see you've got some pictures here of that version of the van. So this one is a 2-in-1, and you've got a load of decals there. And there's the other version, the sort of more classic version that you can also do with the retro decals. And you've got some information on here as well. Let's turn that around so you can see all the different parts. Bit of description over there. All right. So here we are. Got a chrome sprue there, body, a few more pieces in there, tyres, axles, clear parts, more sprues in there, and some more bits here. The Dodge Ram van was built from 1971 to 2003, across 3 generations. It was also rebadged as a Plymouth and Fargo. It was front engine, rear wheel drive, and most commonly sold as either the Tradesman cargo van or the Sportsman passenger van. Other variants, including the street van and quarry van, were also made, but in smaller numbers. Notably, many Dodge vans appeared in the 1990 Christmas film Home Alone, including a tradesman driven by the Wet Bandits, Harry and Marv. So let's start with the instructions. As you can see, these have loads of steps. We've got the engine there. Got some paint recommendations, no colours, but also symbols there. I've not built an MPC kit before. Tyres, chassis, interior. Some optional bits here if you want to do the custom version. Got optional bumpers here, optional rear wing, all those sort of things. And then you've got putting that all together. So it's interesting because I would say that there should be more instructions than this. Considering this builds in 2 versions, really it should have like version 1, version 2. But there we are. So let's have a look inside here. This kit's pretty old. Be careful of that. Not exactly sure what that is, but we'll put it to one side. There you are, you can see you've got the front and the back of those seats. You've got kind of rear sort of bench seats there. We've got left-hand drive, and that looks like it might be the place for the... I don't know what that is. But yeah, another part to go on the inside. Maybe that's where that fell off from. But we'll put that aside safely. Got some of those optional interior parts here, like those curtains. We've got that table. Yeah, we've got these. Things like the steering wheel, some of the engine parts, axles, exhaust. They're all quite sort of chunky plastic. Wow, that radiator. That looks really old. In this bag, I think these are parts of the optional wing and the front lip. These bits for the wheel, and that looks part of the suspension system. That looks like a TV or something. Maybe it's a TV. Don't know. Yeah. We've got these. I think these are kind of like interior paneling for the custom version. And here we've got bits of the engine. We've got some kind of fog lights there. Yeah, quite a bit of flash, unfortunately, on some of these, but as I said before, this isn't a new kit. Okay, so here we've got the body, and we've got the chassis there. Ooh. The interior. You can see there are already some sort of paneling bits there, sort of things to go around there on the center console. It's quite basic, but I guess you can add things to that. You know, some detail there. Obviously these have got metal axles that will go into this. And here's the bodywork itself. So you've got some moulded details like the Dodge lettering here. You've got windscreen wipers, Dodge van on the side, got moulded door handles. think to add the wing mirrors, you might need to drill some holes. And you can see here where those panels can be removed if you want to add the sections to the top. And you've got those two rear windows there. So as we say, got moulded detail there, moulded detail on the back of the door handle there. Nothing on this side. Got some side doors, these don't open, and another Dodge van there. Okay, so got a few bags of clear parts here. I'm not going to open these, so I don't want to scratch them. You can see we've got tail lights moulded in red. We've got a sunroof moulded in clear there, and we've also got a sunroof moulded in tinted there. And then as well, we've got two of these clear sprues here. Yeah, so we've got front windscreen there, and we've got a rear windscreen. Maybe these are like funny tinted door windows. I checked in the instructions, they're like a kind of tinted interior window, maybe almost like a net curtain sort of thing that separates the back of the truck from the front of the truck. So yeah, bit of a strange feature. So we've got a couple of chrome sprues here. It looks like these have partially become detached. So as you can see, we've got a radiator there with this bumper attached, and then we've got another bumper there. We've got these rims here, got some engine parts. We've also got these funny old-fashioned looking lanterns. Got wing mirrors, which I guess, like I say, you probably need to drill. You've got side pipes here, so optional parts. And then as well as these, we've got these wheels, a little bit more racy. Yeah, so I guess it's up to you which of those you want to use. So we've got tyres and metal axles here. I'll leave the metal axles in there. As you can see, the tyres have got Goodyear markings on the side. I've got some tread markings, Goodyear markings on both sides. Custom wide tread. Yeah, so those look pretty good. They're a bit hard, but yeah, look okay. And then finally we have the large decal sheet here, and here we have got two sets of decals. You've got the more sort of old-fashioned turtle wax or the more modern turtle wax one. You've got turtle power, lots there, lots of decals. You've got turtle wax advert, so I guess that is a TV screen. Got little kind of bumper stickers there, Illinois number plates. You've got this kind of turtle van decals there. You've got a couple of bumper stickers. So yeah, a couple of sun strips there. So a lot going on here. And yeah, you can sort of pick or choose these. I'm actually not going to use these. I've got a different plan for this kit. So there we have it, 1982 Dodge van with turtle wax markings from MPC. Now my plan is to do something a little bit more seasonal with this, so hopefully you'll like what I have in store when it comes out later in the month. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you soon.